Hey there, Game Masters! Welcome to IQS. Today's challenge, guess the animal using only emojis. Today's challenge, guess the animal using only emojis. Now smash that subscribe button and let's get quizzing. Let's start easy. Ready to guess this animal by the emoji? Yep, it's a jellyfish. That's wobbly ocean jelly. Here comes to next animal puzzle. You totally nailed it. It's a butterfly fluttering around. Think you can figure out which animal this is? That was so easy, huh? Of course, it's a sea lion. The next one is here. Say hello to Bulldog. No fear, huh? It's a spider. What animal could these emojis be? Oink, oink. Farm squad alert, it's a pig. What animal are we looking at here? Yep, it's a bear. Nice. It's a swan, for sure. Try guessing this animal. Peacocks are show-offs, and so are you. Yep, it's a peacock. What do these emojis represent? Think carefully. It's definitely a monkey. Let's see if you can crack this one. You get it. Seahorse. It's a snake. Which animal shows up here? Everyone loves them. It's a panda. Any guesses? Tiger, let's go. Do you know this animal? Ding dong, it's a wolf? Come on, you know this one. It's a cat. So cute. This one's a classic. Can you figure it out? No doubt about it. It's a penguin. Think fast. What's your guess? Squawk, it's a parrot. Show us what you've got. You've got the stripes, right? It's a zebra. It's a chicken. Ta-da. Let's see who really knows their animal. Of course, it's a starfish. What animal is this? The answer is cricket. That's a dolphin. Is this a tough one? It's a sheep. Another point for you, champ. Here's your next animal clue. Look closely. Wow, even the tough ones are easy for you. It's a swordfish. Only 10 seconds, hurry up. You know this one? It's a reindeer. Do these emojis look familiar to you? That's a firefly. Brilliant. Yep, it's a clownfish. What animal do these emojis spell out? It's a lion. Yes, yes, yes. Keep on going. You're doing great so far. A mosquito. Perfect.